Preserving parsley and scallions all year long, still fresh. 4 Secrets of a 5-Star Chef. Hello, nice to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Have you ever bought a bunch of fresh herbs, only to find that after a few days in the fridge, the leaves have turned yellow, the stems are soft, and even smell spoiled? Not only is it a waste, this situation also makes cooking inconvenient. But if I told you that, with just a few simple tips, you can keep herbs and scallions fresh for 6 to 8 weeks in the refrigerator, would you believe it? In this video, I will share 4 extremely effective ways that I always apply to help vegetables not only stay fresh, but also clean and convenient every time you use them. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Method 1. Store in a sealed container. First, for all vegetables, remove any yellow leaves and wilted parts for long-term storage. Divide the vegetables into small pieces and remove any wilted, yellowed, or crushed leaves. If left on, these parts will cause the whole bunch to spoil much faster. With mint leaves, pick the leaves and tips, keeping only the tasty and young leaves for storage. Next, rinse the vegetables under running water to remove any dirt or pesticide residue. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Pour water into a large basin. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to the basin. Stir to dissolve. Soak for 3 to 5 minutes. Rinse with water. After washing, let the vegetables drain naturally or use paper towels to gently pat dry. No need to dry completely. Prepare a plastic box with a tight lid. Line the bottom with 1 to 2 layers of absorbent paper to absorb moisture. Note: each type of herb should be stored separately, not mixed together, because each type has different properties and different flavors. Convenient for use, stored separately, when needed, you can take the right type you need without damaging the rest. Arrange vegetables gently. Do not compact to avoid crushing. The top layer of paper also helps absorb moisture, keeping vegetables fresh longer. Cover tightly and place in the refrigerator in a temperature-controlled area, away from the freezer or refrigerator door. This method keeps vegetables fresh for 7 to 14 days without getting wet or bruised. Method 2. Store in a glass jar with water. With herbs that have long stems, I often use this method to prolong the life of the herbs. Also check the leaves carefully to remove wilted leaves. Pick off the wilted leaves. Remove dry, wilted, or broken leaves. It is important to remove dry, wilted, or broken leaves. If you leave the good onions alone without removing the bad leaves, they will also quickly spoil. Do the same with the lettuce. It is important not to be afraid to remove any damaged parts. The next step is to wash the vegetables under running water. Helps remove dirt and chemicals if used during planting. Dry the vegetables with a paper towel. No need to dry completely. Write down your favorite preservation method. If you know of any other ways to keep herbs fresh in the fridge, please share. Next, prepare a clean glass jar. Pour about 1 to 2 centimeters of filtered water into the bottom. Place the herbs or scallions in the jar so that the roots are submerged in the water. Use a plastic bottle with the neck cut off and place it over the mouth of the jar like a smart lid. Remember to leave a small gap for the herbs to breathe. Air circulation is key to keeping them from becoming mushy or wilted. If you don't have a plastic bottle, you can use a zip-top bag, a clear plastic lid, or anything that can be lightly covered, still leaving a small gap. The goal is to create a stable, humid environment, like a mini greenhouse, to keep the herbs fresh for a long time without much effort or money. This way, herbs and green onions can stay fresh for 5 to 6 weeks in the fridge. The great thing is, you don't have to wash it every time you use it. Everything is ready, convenient. Just take it out and cook. Method 3. Use absorbent paper and Ziploc bag. After washing the onions, I took a handful of vegetables. Rolled them in absorbent paper as in the video tutorial. Cut the onions in half for easier storage. Next, prepare a Ziploc bag. Put each package of vegetables in a Ziploc bag. Do not compress it. You can fill the Ziploc bag with vegetable packages like that. Always remove any wilted or damaged parts. When putting the vegetables in the Ziploc bag, close the bag, but leave a small gap to push the air out. Squeeze the bag to push out the air, then close it and put it in the refrigerator. Preserving this way, herbs can stay fresh for up to 6 weeks, depending on the original freshness. And herbs still retain their green color and quality. Method 4. Freeze. Freezing herbs not only keeps their flavor fresh, but also saves you time in your daily cooking. Cut green onions according to cooking habits. Divide the herbs into small portions. Put the herbs in a clean Ziploc bag, spread them out into a thin layer. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. If you don't have a vacuum sealer, use a straw to suck out the air, then close the bag. Place the bag flat in the freezer. The vegetables won't stick together. Easy to take when needed. No need to defrost, just take the amount needed. Put it directly into the pot when cooking soup. Porridge, stir-fry, very convenient. With this method, vegetables can be kept for 2 to 3 months, still retaining their flavor, color, and quality. So, there are 4 extremely effective ways to preserve herbs. Which method do you find most suitable for you? Try it today and feel the difference. If you have better tips, especially about preserving mint leaves, please share them in the comments section. I would love to learn more. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to the Clever Tricks channel so you don't miss out on future kitchen tips. Your support is the biggest motivation for me to continue sharing useful, time-saving tips for every kitchen. Wishing you a fresh, energetic day.